Now let's go to the fourth.
I said shut up.
We're going to show you something that you're not supposed to do. I'm going to go take a shower and get ready for bed.
That's the only person I want to say shut up to, okay?
Okay, that was weird. Now let's go to do makeup.
Oh, DJ!
I haven't got sleep yet. And I'm staying up all night getting ready for bed.
Hello everybody, and today we're back. I'm on the line. As you can, I'm going to put my back in the weeks. Hope you guys like me.
I'm going to get some
We're about to
answers.
go to school. 3, 2, 1. Abracadabra. Okay, where's the one?
Okay, we're going to get a hairdryer. Go. Go away, YouTube. Go away. Anyway, as I was saying, what we're not going to do.
Then I'm going to, this time, the other time, I'm going to talk to you, okay? I wish I could
I would
say
just go buy my hair and then get ready for bed. It's almost time to cut out, but I'm just going to sleep more.
That's really wants which means please don't ruin it for me.
Oh, forgot to shower. Just so you know, I'm just going to have to put my hair in a bun.
Okay, I'm just gonna put that phone.
I have like a hot towel on. But I really don't feel you. Okay, how about just put on a body towel?
Two.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
let's put in
Lock the door.
okay, this is bad. So yeah.
Yeah. Very high. We're just going to put some shower.
Just this I'm so ugly. Actually, I just want to show. Of course, we're not video so I can sorry. It's my fault. Okay, it's my fault.
You're good.
We're going to go to bed. I don't feel like changing it. So I'm still sleeping like you did. I'm still sleeping like this. I'm sleeping like this, okay? I'm sleeping like this.
So, yeah. I just put that in my hair.
Oh,
Now I just put it in twice. I put conditioner in my hair. Okay, anyway, this is one of the baddest things I'm ever gonna do, and I'm pretty sure me am gonna regret it.
Wait a minute. But she's not here. She's not here.
We might do it later. But we might tell you things that we're not gonna do though. We can have you recording.
That is Sharon. That is Sharon. That is Sharon. That was me. I have real high, but it's not that kind of real high. It's a different royal high. It's a cool one. Seriously, what is it?
Hey, good. Anyway. Oh my god, this is... Oh, what happened to me? What happened to me? That is so weird. Just so you know, guys, do not put a hairdryer in the shower. That happens. I got... electrocuted.
Oh, that's just weird. Breakfast already started.
I guess I'm gonna have to go to school like this.
Alright, so we see the towel.
I'm getting this thing off. I was supposed to be wearing my ponytail. Let's go put the meal ticket in there. You're good. Pull the lever. Okay, good. Let's go pull the lever. We have a meal right now?
You forgot to grab breakfast.
Okay, I have my breakfast right now. Now let's reset so we can go back to my normal self. I'm never doing that ever again. Let's do a dance.
That's not how you live.
I'm going to have ice mocha. So, we have an ice mocha, and right now, we're just going to go pull the levers and just get chill out. You already know what I did earlier, in the beginning of the video. Let's get, looks like I have something to pull. Lever. Okay, good. Now let's go. Oh, class. I gotta get my boots on. I'm not ready. Oh, forgot to put on my school outfit. No, not the first one. I was supposed to go to bed. Oh, hi there. I was I'm gonna go clean my room. My mom told me to clean my room. I forgot my book. So guys, we're gonna have to record and we're gonna have to go home. I'm really tired of this. I can't go to work.
How are you still doing that?
I don't know.
Possible.
Hey, what's going on? I can help you.
Take follow me.
Yes, I can. Just got one on.
No, you can just talk to her.
I'm just gonna check.
I don't like that.
Hey, this might be up to 15 minutes. That's the max time.
I do
what you're wearing.
I love it.
Me, not so much. Could you change what you're wearing? I'm doing. How are you? Okay. I
How long is your video anyways? That looks delicious.
Daddy, I didn't even eat this. Oh, hi, Delta. What's going on with you?
Can you change your outfit?
Just keep it down.
But what if you What if you want us to talk?
Oh, hi, guys. Welcome back. This is Maddie right here. And I'm looking for you. Hi. Hi, what are you doing?
She doesn't have a body. Well, at least she has a body and it's great.
Here. So I guess we'll just have to go to that. Don't worry, I'll just meet you there. I'm really poor. I'm just kidding. I am poor though.
Oh, mine.
This miner is really crazy. I'm gonna have to mine here.
That is not grass. That is dirt.
Oh god. Oh, I'm falling! I'm falling!
Yeah, I don't think
Hey, quit following me.
Yeah, I don't think you're too that good.
Okay, this X is not good.
Yeah, finish that.
Oh, guys, close. I don't want to unfund my best friend. Okay.
What about
I have 179,000 coins.
you should buy a way better backpack.
My god, I bought that hat and I should have got it. I'm
Go buy better tools.
Let me go see what hat I got. Let me go put my hat down.
What is your hat?
Last one? Oh, hi there. I like that. Hi.
Go get some better stuff. I dare you.
Sure, I would love to. Okay, we're going. Just kidding about that. Oh my god, we're going. Okay, time to run. We're going down that hole, Dino. I'm sorry, Mr. Dino. I know.
Just hold it down.
Okay, Dino. I cannot cry. I'm just kidding. Oh god, I am falling down.
There's no way to fall any other direction. You can't fall up and you can't fall sideways.
Yeah, that's just crazy.
Could you get